welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So today's video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing of our BOXYCHARM. It is January, you guys. This is the first box of 2018. Holy moly, that is crazy. Like 2018, I'm using my thumbtack because I can't find my knife. 2018, wow, that's all I have to say. Like, I hope everyone's year is starting off amazing. Whew. Okay, so let's open it, okay? So I haven't seen it, so you guys are gonna be the first. Okay, so it says Rock 2018. And here's all the items that they have in the back. I'm not gonna take a look real quick because I don't want to see what's inside. Look at everything. Oh my gosh. I see Dr. Brandt, Brow Powder. I see It Cosmetics. January 2018. Hell yeah. We're starting off good. Okay. Damn. Opening it up. In here we have the It Brow Powder Universal Brow Pencil. So we got the shade Universal, which is so awesome because everybody can use it and get their eyebrows fleeky. So this one goes for $24, and that is so awesome. You guys know I love It Cosmetics, so that is so cool. We got it in our BOXYCHARM. Next is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer. And this one is from Dr. Brandt. I always say the name wrong. I'm so sorry, you guys. And this one goes for $38. Delivers a natural, radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. Heck yeah! You guys know their skincare I'm obsessed with. It's really, really good. So I like to smell things. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. We got this in the BOXYCHARM. BOXYCHARM hooking it up. Okay, so this is a sneak peek that I seen. This is the Glam Metals, and this one is from Crown Pro. This one goes for $25. Oh, this is so pretty. And the mirror's a guitar. The names Punk, Wild Thing, Rebel, Rock It On, The Wicked, Heavy Metal, Pop Rock. I love it. I love it. I love it. Pigmentation is crazy good. I am so excited. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so 3 amazing things so far. I'm not disappointed. I'm not like, huh, nothing. Like, yes. We got Pure in here. This is the Pure, the Complexion Authority Bronze and Bright in Cheek, and this one goes for $34. This is an amazing box. Oh yeah. Oh, I died. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see how good that looks? That is like, oh my god. That is beautiful. That is fancy. That's like, yes. If I would have just got this, I would have been happy. $21 and we're getting all of this. You guys, that is crazy. Like, this is so freaking pretty. That is seriously so freaking awesome. We got this. Got this. Got this. And we got this. And there's one more. It's like, hell yeah. January, amazing. Okay, so last but not least, this is the Grand Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. I have tried these. I do have a few. They really tingle your lips. It feels really, they do tingle your lips. This one goes for $27. It says instantly improves lip volume within 3 to 5 minutes while hydrating areas. And it really does work. What shade is this one? Dusty Taro. This is so pretty, and if you really do want that little plump to your lips, this will definitely get the job done for you. It seriously just plumps them. It's crazy. They do work. So this is an awesome box. Like, hands down awesome. Not disappointed at all. I'm seriously like, wow. It was a really good box. Really good. Yeah. I hope whoever was interested in BOXYCHARM got this box because, girl, this was a good box. Like, it was a really good box. I'm so excited. I am so excited. We should do a tutorial. So tomorrow we'll do a tutorial using everything I got in my BOXYCHARM. So let me know down below if I should do a video using the BOXYCHARM box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this BOXYCHARM unboxing. Give me a big thumbs up. You guys are starting off this year amazing. Let me know down below what you guys received in your BOXYCHARM. And if you guys are interested in signing up for BOXYCHARM, I do have my own special link down below. If you guys use it, I do receive commission, but you do not have to use a link. But if you do, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed spending time with you guys. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye.